how Isabel gets so much work done. So, how's the work going so far, villager?
I'm trying to keep up as fast as I can, Tom. But these work orders keep piling up faster than I can finish.
Looks like Isabel's working hard. Maybe it's because she's listening to music. I wonder what kind of music.
What? How? No way!
Well, just try your best, villager. I'll go see if Timmy and Tommy got any headphones in stock today.